In this video, we'll show you how to clean your PriceCardPro Flex plastic card printer. With your printer turned on, press the menu button. This is the rightmost button on the front of your printer. Follow the prompts on the LCD monitor by first removing any cards from the input hopper. Next, open the printer lid and remove the ribbon from inside. Now we can prepare the long cleaning card. Tear open the outer wrapping on the cleaning card and remove the card. Press forward once more on your printer and it will prompt you to insert the cleaning card. Insert the thin end of the T-shaped card into the slot below the LCD monitor and push gently until you feel the printer take the card. The printer will then run the cleaning cycle. It will feed the card in and out of the printer to clean all of the rollers inside before finally ejecting the card again. Once the card is ejected, you can remove it and the cleaning cycle is complete. To clean your printer's print head, use your alcohol cleaning pen to swipe gently from one side of the print head in a smooth motion. Avoid scribbling or pressing hard with the pen. This removes any light dirt or grease that may have accumulated on the print head to ensure that your price signs print as well as possible. You can now place your ribbon and cards back into the printer and start printing again.